Hey everyone, back at it here. Sophie and I are going to go do laundry today. I'm going to get a shower and she'll get her bath next Monday. I'm going to take her to get a bath. She likes that. So we'll take you for the drive in town. I'll show you where I go for cleaning my clothes and when I need something more than a sailor shower here. So I'm going to spin you around and you can watch my way out of the campsite here. Laundromat and empty my tanks, maybe get rid of some trash. And here's Arizona 95. Turn north heading into town. To the south is Yuma and the Yuma Proving Grounds. I think we'll wait for this traffic. We take a little more time to get up to speed here. That's okay, just pull out from you guys, it's okay. Entrance for La Posa North and La Posa West. Hey everyone, just thought I'd show you what a $9 shower looks like. So I'm going to pan around here. They do keep them pretty clean, so sanitize them and everything else. Got you a little seat there to set stuff. Alright, let me get cleaned up and I'll be back. So you can see here a lot of beautiful sculptures. This guy's an incredible artist. You can find him down here in booth 12. Dinosaur there. Look at this, the time. It's incredible it takes to create something like this. It's the detail on it. Again, he's down here at booth 12, so stop by and see him. You won't be disappointed. I don't think I can do him justice with this little camera here. Those are way too cool. Something for everybody. I was walking along and I came by some hard-working models here. I did check with a mirror. They're all breathing. Just had to share that with you. Of course, I had to go to Sausage Fest. And my napkins have quit blowing away here. Had to get some corn dogs and some fries. These are some good corn dogs. As you can see, there's a little something for everybody here. Tons of free parking here too if you go out around back here. Plenty of room for big rigs. Some vendors are still setting up here. I believe this is day one of Sellorama. All right, we get that fabulous Italian or breakfast sausage they sell here at Coyote Fresh. Now let's see if I can figure out how to get out of here the back way. All right, here we go. Seems to work here. That's one thing with these flags here. Pretty up close to the road, makes it hard to see to get out sometimes here. All right, here, I think we got it now. There we go. Time to head back to camp. I'll put all the little bits and pieces of video together for you today and have those out tonight for you. Again, I appreciate all the new subscribers. I can't say enough. I really appreciate you watching my videos and commenting. Such great comments I'm getting from people too. Thank you very much. And I hope you all enjoy your day. Thanks again. Bye-bye.